Welcome to Goa News. Now, friends, today I am at Kansalim village, Kansalim AROSSIM Koyalim village. This is ward number 4 area, and as usual, खुबशे फाटी पयलींय जाल्लेले आसा that there is strong opposition to doubling of railway track by the railway authorities. आणि आयज तेजोच एक भाग म्हणून तुम्ही पळोवंक शकता आमचे फाटल्यान लोक जमलेले आसा. दे आर अपोजिंग दी doubling of railway track here. In this work, the work was taken up by the Railway Vikas Nagar RVNL, Railway Vikas Nagar Nigam Limited. So the people are here to oppose the project because they feel that the railways does not have any ownership documents with them. So amche fatlan je tumhi pahun shakta, there is a strong opposition by the people. They are not allowing the railways to take up the work. That is how police यंत्रणा हांगा पावलेले आसा आणि खुबशे पुलीसमॅन आर देर एट द सायट अँड दे आर ट्रायंग टू पॅसिफाय द सिच्युएशन. लोकांक ते सांगपाचे ते प्रयत्न करता दॅट रेल्वे हॅज बीन डुईंग देअर वर्क, बट इफ यू हॅव एनी ग्रीवियन्स यू अप्रोच दी कंपिटंट अथॉरिटी. बट दी विलेजर्स आहा जे म्हणणें आहा की ते जेन्ना द मॅटर आसा ते कोर्टान आसा, इट इज सब ज्युडिस मॅटर. दे हॅव ऑलरेडी फायल्ड PIL in High Court against this doubling आणि सबज्युडिस मॅटर आसा म्हणून हे रेल्वे हांगा डबलिंगाचें काम करूंक शकना. सो आमी विचारया हांकांच विचारया हे जे लोक हांगा जमलेले आसा की हे जे इशू कितें आसा. सद्या हांकांच विचारून पळया की हे जे लोक आसा हांगा जमलेले आसा तेंचे ते कित्या खातीर अपोज करता. आयजचो जो प्रोटेस्ट आसा कित्या खातीर आयजचो जो प्रोटेस्ट आसा कित्या खातीर आहा.
आमकां नाका हें आमकां नाका तें इल्लिगल बांदताय सगलें.
आयज कितें करताले लोक
कपलाको सादर कपलाको माताले कोळी माताले
हय
ताका लागून हाडायले थिंगा.
ओके ना कितें इशू आहले आयज आयज सगळे जमलेले आहा कित्याक इशू.
इशू मेन मोठो हेचो न्हू ते ड्रेन दीस फॉर डबल ट्रॅकिंग न्हू इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन न्हू ते कोताय न्हू तेका लागून इलिगली विदाउट परमिशन ऑफ द पंचायत NOC ना पंचायत दिली कोळोप ना.
ओके
आतां ते पयलीं येयल्ले 2-3 दीस जाले आतां आज पोत्ते येयले हे भाशेन कळना तुका सांगपा. अरे स्वता कितें आम म्हणटा तुमकां NOC प्रॉपर डॉक्युमेंट हाडाय न्हू. दीस प्रॉपर्टी इज नॉट बिलोंग टू देम ऑल्सो कळना तुका हे भाशेन.
हेजे खातीर तुमी एक कोर्टान हायकोर्टान पेटिशनूय घातलेलें आसा.
हय हायकोर्टान पेटिशनूय आहा आनी दे ऑलरेडी ओपोज नो इट्स डबल ट्रॅक नाक म्हणून. दीस इज इश्यू ओनली फॉर डबल ट्रॅक आनी कित्या न्हू कळना तुका.
सद्या आयज जे तुमी जमलेले आसा ते हे जे हांगा काम चलता ते गटराचे
गटर न्हू केबल घाताय न्हू ते केबल घाताय ते नॉट अ गटर.
ओके सो आय वॉज हियरींग हांगा पयलीं गटर आहले स्ट्रॉंग.
हय पयले पयले नाला होळ्यो हेचो हेचो फोंड आहा हाडल्यांचो पोंड आहा ते.
ओके नाल्ला पुरोवन आतां
त्या रस्त्या पंदरा पायप आहा मोठेले.
तुमचें नांव कितें.
अग्नेल
अग्नेल बाब कितें इशू म्हणटा.
पायप आहा थिंग उदक पास जाता आनी ते होंडा पास जाता
ओके
फोडयांतल्यान सांकोर ना तितूंतल्यान तें पास जाता ही फोड सारकी.
हय सो ते आतां पुरोवन ते एक हें गटर बांदता
केबल आमी कितें कोत्ताय आम रेल्वे हाडाय आम करचो नाका.
ओके
इतलें आमगे प्रॉब्लेम. रेल्वे कोणाचें आडावपाक जायना आमगे जाय तें करचो गेले ऑस्ट्रेलिया त्या सगळें काबार जालां केलां नाका न्हू पब्लीक करचो नाका म्हणून नाका न्हू आमी ऑब्जेक्शन कांयच तितलें आमगे प्रॉब्लेम जाता.
सो हे जे लोक आसा हांगा हेजे पयलीं तेंच्यांनी जो प्रोटेस्ट केल्लो आहा तो डबलिंग ऑफ रेल्वे ट्रॅक आनी स्पेशली कोळशा बाबतीन. दे डोंट वॉन्ट कोल मुवमेंट from their village and that is how the actual protest started long years ago. आयजचो जो protest तुम्ही पळोवंक शकता they are trying to talk that this was the ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेन आणि आयज जो वो ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेन आसा थंय रेल्वे इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशनाचें काम चालू आहा म्हणून थंय हे लोक हांगा केबल घालता. सो दॅट इज हाव the people have been protesting and you can just hear from the people only. अर्विल बाब आयज सगळे जमलेले आहा परत तुम्ही सगळे रस्त्यार. आयजचो मुद्दो कितें
इशू कितें आहा हिंगा की RVNL चिंततात की दे आर द ओनर्स ऑफ दीस एंटायर विलेज, नॉट ओनली दीस. Indiscriminate dumping of material is been put in private properties. I will show you after this. No permission has been sought even for dumping of their material. Leave aside that these are old ancient storm water drains, where you can see that they have dug out our drains, storm water drains, and they are laying the cable. Now, what kind of engineering practice is this which the RVNL is following? I am an engineer myself. I know what I am talking about. No safety standards have been there. Workmen are coming as they want. Even up to sundown, they are working here. Why they are this? Why the local panchayat is not informed?
So
And NOC obtained from the local bodies. As per the Panchayat Act, the Panchayat is supreme in the village.
but I was hearing, I was also collecting some information. They say that railway is a central body and that's how they don't require any local bodies, any permission. Is it true?
In my no, it doesn't say that. Panchayat Act, Raj Act is supreme. Otherwise, why we need these acts? Every central body will come and they'll say we are supreme, and they are saying that in some cases they are saying these are special projects. There's no emergency as such. There is no emergency. We are not stopping anyone.
तुमका किती दिसता ही emergency कित्या खातीर हा?
We don't understand. We don't. Maybe this is the prelude to for the double tracking. And now this railway station, Kansalim railway station, is being termed as Kansalim railway yard. Yard म्हळ्यार कितें? Yard means 4 track येतले. We understand. We know what is coming to this village. आज लोक थिंगा Kansalim स्टेशनाचेर 1 किलोमीटर लायन कोळशा गाडी आसता आनी लोक पोंदिल्यां वयता. And after very soon this will be a parking for the trains, because at Western Ghats there is a bottleneck, and the work has stopped there. Double tracking work has stopped there, in accordance with the Supreme Court verdict. So why are all these works being carried out? Now, if there is a signaling or something to do with signaling, where is the signal here? You see this road is hardly a meter away is the trench. And about 12 meters is just left for what? So why are they inciting the people to protest and things like that? Why cannot this be done amicably? We also understand that there are safety issues involved. But I got it from the engineers themselves that signals are functional as of now. Tomorrow, we as villagers shouldn't be blamed if there is any safety sabotage being carried out by XYZ.
तुमका भय असा की हे जे तुम्ही प्रोटेस्ट करता ते तेजेर तुमका दुसरे हितून केसी ना जाल्यार तुमका ब्लेम बीन करतले.
आम्ही रस्त्याचे ट्रॅक आडायना. वी आर नॉट स्टॉपिंग द ट्रेन, वी आर नॉट स्टॉपिंग एनीथिंग. वी आर ओनली safeguarding the interests of the village. Private properties have been encroached. Fabrika property, Kumdat property have been encroached. Clear violation, trespass is there. And in our villages, most of our people here are senior citizens, above 60, retired people who have worked in the government services. They are not just come from here and there, they have worked for the government, Goa government. So they understand, but they are afraid to come out because these guys come with every day new engineers or new technical staff is here, whom we are going to correspond. Why does the RVNL not raise all these issues with the local panchayat body, take them into confidence?
Amicable solution is.
See, we are not here to stop. We are not here to stop the signal works per se. Of course, we have our this against double tracking. That will continue. तें आमी तें सुरू केलें तें कोणू आमच्यान हें करूं जायना. Double tracking, as per the Supreme Court verdict, it clearly states that coal transportation should be done from the east coast, from Krishnapatnam port to northern Karnataka and southern Maharashtra.
म्हाका एक सांगा ऑर्विल बाब, आता तुम्ही जेन्ना कन्फ्रंट करताले रेल्वेचे ऑथॉरिटीज ते कितें म्हणटाले?
Straight away I think one of the managers who is the section head for this signaling telecommunication तुमको राय म्हणून लावलं तेंगे हांगा. Straight away, no negotiation, nothing.
Arrogant.
Very arrogant. And then he is saying that this is one coal train was passing by that time. This is for the benefit of you people. Coal आम benefit to. आम कोर्स खावपाचें and benefit घेवपाचें कोळशाचें. What is the benefit?
Those are the railway officials.
Yes, those are the railway
Those
officials.
also. 1 minute. I'll just come back to you. I'll just go to them. I'll just try to see if they are talking because ते जर लोक हा ते काम करता allegation असा that they have been doing it without taking local panchayat and locals into confidence. सर आप लोग रेलवे के हैं क्या? ये इनका एलिगेशन है आप लोगों ने लोगों के साथ ये इनको कॉन्फिडेंस में नहीं लिया, सही बात है?
I have given letter to Panchayat. I have given letter to Deputy Collector. I have got clear orders from Deputy Collector. I have got all permissions from all departments, including PWD, including electricity, including water world, including this one. If you want, I can show this letter
No, it's
also.
okay.
And I have informed Panchayat. I have given written that what I am doing the work. They were satisfied, but they couldn't give me a letter because some of the members were not agreeing. They have misunderstood that this is doubling. This is not doubling. We are replacing old cables with new cables. We are replacing old signals with new signals because already 20-25 years back they have put this. If any failures come, unnecessarily public will be in problem. If any accidents come, public will face problem.
So
because of this safety, we are replacing only old cables with new cables, old signals with new cables. I am trying to make them understand, but they are not ready to understand that. I have given written letter that what I am doing this work. What work I am doing, I have given in written, including Panchayat. Yes, I have that acknowledgement also. 2 months back, not now. When I have not got anything from there, again I have written to Deputy Collector. DC has given me clear permission that you can take up the work.
Another thing, they are saying this
And to whom and all we have full acknowledgements also. 2 months back.
Not today.
Okay.
You can show the you can see that date also.
Valsaon, Consolim, all panchayat.
Yes. And not only that, including collector.
Collector also. This letter is addressed to
And we are not hiding anything. And before starting at the church also, I have informed the church people that tomorrow I am doing the trench. If any objection is there, kindly inform me. That also.
So
now
this is what the trench you are digging up for cabling work.
yeah, for cabling.
They allege that there is a problem because this is a natural stormwater drain.
No. If at all it is like that, then I'll shift my trench to that side.
bus.
Wherever their natural storm is there, let them show me. I'll shift off my trench. There is no objection for me.
You are ready to
Yes,
adjust
yes,
their
yes,
grievances.
yes,
Yes, sir,
yes, yes.
Why don't you all sit across the table, sir? Because
Sir, I have informed Panchayat, I have informed church people. They have not told me anything. Suddenly they have called 50-60 people today and they are unnecessarily putting allegations on us.
Yesterday also we are approaching.
And personally I have went to church and I have informed that I am doing this trench. Now suddenly they do 150 people they are coming and they are trying to allegate on us. This is wrong, na? To whom sake I am doing? I am not constructing my house here.
so today you are not doing any doubling work, only replacement of.
I have given in written that I am not doing doubling. I have given in written to collector also, to panchayat also.
This is
So तुम्ही पाहू शकता आता तुमचे नाव किती
Anwar.
मिस्टर अनवर
Anwar Basha. I am DGM SNT, Deputy General Manager SNT.
Okay, so Mr. Anwar Basha informed us that आईचे जे काम चलता, it is for
given in
for
written.
this he has given the communication to all the panchayat authorities, including Valsa Panchayat as well as Consolim Panchayat
PWD, everyone.
and all other
Police
authorities,
department
and
Deputy Collector also.
they are not doing this doubling work. They are just replacing the cables, existing cables, signal cables.
Signal cables and signals we are replacing.
So now, since the people are objecting, whether you will stop the work,
I will not stop. I cannot stop also. If they will give me in letter, I will stop.
otherwise
I
you
am
will
telling them why they are objecting me. When I have got permission from Deputy Collector, why they are objecting me? They should have some evidence. They should have some power. This one, why they are objecting me?
But don't you think, Basha Saab, ki this kind of issue should be amicably on the table?
100% amicably. Because of that, I went to their church. I went to panchayat. I went to every department. I don't want any again. I don't want to go against public. Why I'll go against public? I am not constructing for myself. This is for public only, na? They only will utilize. Today I'll go and tomorrow I'll go up to my other department. I'll be transferred to wherever works are there. But who
You are
will
just a
enjoy this?
contractor.
I am an employee.
So well, तुम्ही ऐकला की आईज जे इशू चालू असा, they are the contractor side, employer side. They are saying ki they don't have any information. सरपंच सरपंच आयलेलो आसा तुम्ही ऐकला आसतलें तेंच्यांनी कितें म्हणलां तेणी म्हाका हांव तुमकां सांगपाक सोदतां कितें सांगलां तें तेणी सांगलां की ही हॅज गिवन ऑल कायंड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन टू पंचायत हॅड नो इशू बट some members had objected for this work. He is not doing doubling of work. तुमचे कितें
See, listen,
See, this is the Sarpanch. He will answer.
Mr. Savio Pereira is our honorable Sarpanch of the village. Okay, he will speak to you about what is the matter here. Okay,
What
Yeah,
the permission is given.
better you hear from whether the NOC was received or you can ask him
Okay,
whether they have issued the NOC.
Savya Bab, what's your views on the today's work?
जेणे ते डेका सिग्नलिंग एक्झिस्टिंग आहे चंय ते एक्झिस्टिंग सिग्नलिंग केबल घालपाक परमिशन केला ऑल लीगल परमिशन दे हॅव गॉट एंड दे आर सेइंग दॅट इट इज नॉट रिगार्डिंग दिस नथिंग विल लीड टू डबल ट्रॅकिंग सो वी गॉट नो लीगल ऑब्जेक्शन्स टू लीगल बेसिस टू ऑब्जेक्ट टू दिस ते हाल म्हणटाय तुमी आम गाडी एक्सिडेंट जालो जाल्यार तुमचें येतलें देन दे सिलेक्टेड बॉडीज वी विल बी रेस्पॉन्सिबल सो आमच्या वी कांट ऑब्जेक्ट टू दिस बिकॉज देर नो वे इट सेज इट इज डबल ट्रॅकिंग
आयज जे लोक प्रोटेस्ट करतात
लोकां ऑब्जेक्शन आहा न्हू तें हांव एग्री जाता म्हळ्यार आमकां लिगल बेजीस आसपा जाय न्हू तेंका ऑब्जेक्ट करपाक
how you will overcome because one side legal ha and one side your people are there how you will adjust both
that we are trying to communicate to the people we did what we can otherwise more people would have come also here
One thing I will just add to what Savia said. In that letter, which is addressed to so many departments, it clearly says in your own land. I hope you have got a copy of that
I was
letter.
just looking
You
at
just go through it. It says in your own land. It's in bracket in your own land. Now until the title deed of this property is established, right? And it is pertaining to the Kansalim railway yard. Now all those are railway yards. Has a demarcation been done? Where is the railway yard? Has the local panchayat been notified that this is part of the so-called railway yard?
रेल्वे बाबतींत तुमकां काय कम्युनिकेशन
रेल्वे यार्ड आमकां कळना तेंगे ते डिगींग आहा ते सगळे विदीन दॅट हे म्हणा विदीन दॅट प्रॉपर्टी
but they are saying it is a natural storm water drain
दॅट वी हॅव गॉट नो वी आर नॉट अवेअर ऑफ इट
well the issue is very complicated here one side villagers have their strong objections to this ongoing work other side the railway appointed staff here at the site they have been claiming that they je kaam karta they are just laying down new cables because the old cable signal cable railway je signal cable asta they have gone old so they are replacing the confusion still goes on one side the railway authorities are adamant they will continue with their work other side villagers are adamant that they will not allow such works हे जे कन्फ्युजनाचो वातावरण आसा सद्या आयज सकाळीसून चालू आसा फुडें कितें जातलें वी हॅव टू वेट एंड वॉच बट द पिक्चर isn't very clear कित्याक दोनी सायडीन कन्फ्युजन आसा people have been right on their part because they have been talking about safeguarding the interest of the village तुम्ही जे पळोवंक शकता ते that side जे ट्रेंच मारला it is because to lay the cable they trench as per the locals ते म्हणटा की जे ट्रेंच आसा ते it will facilitate as per the local it was a old storm water drain as when the railways were asked they said that if that is the case they will shift the cabling work at some other point but ऑन द टेबल डिस्कशन ना म्हणून आयज जे हे तुम्ही पळोवंक शकता आमचे फाटल्यान कन्फ्युजन आहा ते कंटिन्यू आसा
काम चलता लोकांची हाडीत आहा हें कोता तें कोता तें कोता आनी हें रेल्वे हें केलें जाल्यार आतां आमी बोवाड मारल्यार ते सांगता ते सायडीन वता म्हणून सो आमकां पब्लिकाकू कोणाकू नाका इन्सॉतीन वयलोले नाक म्हळ्यार नाका आमगे सरपंचान सांगिल्लां आमकां नाका ओवरफ्लायट जाग म्हणून लागले आनी 25-30 वर्सां जालीं कोण तें काम करूं आतां मिसा वचपा दिना मिसा वाट बंद जाता हें केलें जाल्यार आनी ते कितें करता ते तेंग वती आहा ते आमी नकोय कितें करता ते जाय मुखार जायत करपा हय पूण एज पर विलेजर्स आमकां ते इन्सॉतीन केलो देखून नाका कोणाकू नाका तुमकां जाय सांगाय तेका तुमकां जाय करूंक जाय वो नाका
Near the AROSSIM railway gate, there are two properties, both belonging to our neighbors, and they have encroached on either side. And since May, they have been digging up the place. And every time they come, my neighbors, and they stop them, they say, no, this is our property. It's fine, it's your property, but show the papers. They're not showing that as well. and now they have dug up our drainage. The water, the drainage from the village water goes down into the ponds. Tomorrow the village will flood if they don't, if they cover up totally as per the level, road level, it will get flooded. Our panchayat has to look into this matter because they are those drainages belong to the panchayat, whatever is on alongside the road. Thank you.
They are agree. Take it म्हणता रेल लाइन पे हाँ रेल लाइन को जन हमें होता है ये यहाँ तो सी रिस्टोर कर दिया तुमको ये केबल काटता है बोला सिंगल साइड पे हमें होता है मिलेगा दिया तो जन वर्पक लागून आम्ही आणि तुम्ही आणि ते रेल्वेचे जाऊन आम्ही डिमार्केट करून मार्किंग करून घेतले ते पासून आमची पोलीस असतले तिंगा
There is no harm in marketing. Now the letter is being worded by the villagers. I'm just taking the liberty to speak on behalf of the villagers. Letter is being inverted to the panchayat. Panchayat is supreme in the, as per the Panchayat Raj Act. Panchayat they will take whatever the decision. But I see, Shilana, you understand, no? Parallel to the tracks.
करूया ना त्याचे आम्ही
You understand? I see no harm in the railway in the presence of our Goa police, in the presence of RPF, that they demarcate along the tracks, not here.
Yes.
Understand? No? Let's be practical in this. Whatever we are doing, let's be practical. And we will ask the panchayat to expedite whatever they have to do, their decision. Because panchayat, I am just a local villager. I don't have any this. I'm not a punch or nobody. Let the panchayat take their decision. Because the letter will be, I think it's already inverted now from the people's.
आम्ही पोहोच येतो ना ते फंक्शन होते पहिले तिंगाचं
So we are
Guys, open this.
full येते
not only here.
See, हिंगाचं वर्किंग पण होते
This is not
Back
here.
is very close to the steps there.
So
No,
everything we have to.
starting from here
Yeah.
until the last point.
Please, we need their technical team to.
They will come with us.
Okay. Somebody.
They will show no the.
Yeah, somebody even if from their police if they are going to record, I don't know what is
आम्ही
the because my हाल म्हणून नाका पत्ती इंगेला आले त्याता माझे then I will just disappear from here.
या तिंगाचं
Yeah.
तुमचे 4-5 जण
होय.
या तिंगाचं आम्ही
We reside here. And another thing, if you are in charge, if you are in signaling, and if you have any authority, tell the engine drivers to stop making noise. Whole night they are putting the trains, purposely disturbing our sleep.
And that
Can you do that for us?
buses are going on.
Can you do that?
They do purpose.
I can give representation. I'll give.
This horning in the night.
Whole night they are
No,
keeping
why-
us awake.
no.
Whole night they are keeping us awake. Senior citizens are staying here.
I'll give
Why
that
are you
information.
doing this?
I'll give that information to my boss.
Yeah, but this you're saying
Mr.
this
Singh,
railway is
Mr.
for
Singh,
the
I put.
If this railway is for the people, why so much coal is going?
He doesn't
It is
he doesn't
destroying
know.
the whole of
He doesn't
Goa.
know. He doesn't know.
Our water is
small
contaminated.
children are there. They are getting asthma.
अभी
हाँ?
demarcation
grandchildren.
करने वाले हैं.
Chal, let's not waste time.
रेल विकास निगम एज युजल जशें वेलसांव एनक्रोच केल्लें जशें सालसेतान एनक्रोच केल्लें सेम वे दे आर डुईंग इलिगल वर्क आतां दे आर सेईंग दे वर डुईंग डिगींग आनी केबलिंग सो आमी विचारलें की बाबा तुमचे कडेन कसले डॉक्युमेंट आहा की तुमी हे एरिया तुमची म्हणटा कित्याक आमची स्टॉर्म वॉटर ड्रेनेज आसा ती ड्रेनेज डॅमेज करून ड्रेनेजे भितर ते आतां वायरींग घालता ते धाड बंडलाचो सो आमी विचारलें जाल्यार तुमी केबलिंग चेंज करता जाल्यार एक्झिस्टींग तुमची केबल खंय आहा एक्झिस्टींग आहा ती तिंगात एक्झिस्टिंगाची काड न्हू सो दे डोंट हॅव आन्सर्स सो दे आर सेईंग नाव दीस एंटायर एरिया 4 किलोमिटर्स इज कांसावली यार्ड म्हणून यार्ड जाल्यार खंय आहा तुमची डॉक्युमेंट आमकां दाखय म्हणलें इतलेंच म्हणलें एज पर द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑर्डर नो सर्वे प्लॅन or survey number is not your legal document. Your legal document is a sale deed. So we asked them a sale deed. So they na, nor they have taken permission from the panchayat, which is mandatory as per the Goa Panchayat Raj Act 1994. So ata yanchani they have gone they are thinking now they are the law within the state of Goa. Now, initially near the railway gate, they have dumped material in private property. त्यांचे property काबार केले, माल डॅमेज केले, सोने डॅमेज केले. सो आयज आमी रेल्वेक सांगपाक सोदता की तुमी कितेंय करतले आनी आमचे गोंयकार अनपड गव्हर्नर. We know what is the law. We will protect the law and we will see that illegal work of this double tracking आयज तेंच्यांनी ड्रेनेज बांदला. पयर ती काय जाणटी बायल त्या ड्रेनेजान पडली. So they have blocked all the accesses now of everyone. They cannot even cross the track. So this is not right. So we are asking the Rail Vikas Nigam, you obtain your documents and then you do. Obtain ownership and do whatever you want. We have no objection. That is what we are trying to tell the government. आणि हांव मागता पंचायत आणि डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक हितून ताबडतोब हे आमी लेटर कंप्लेन लेटर बरयलेलें आसा. हेजेर ताबडतोब एक्शन घेवचें आणि जे पळय इलिगल काम करता हे हांकां बंद करचें म्हणून हांव गव्हर्मेंटाक मागता.
नाला में डाला वो उसने अभी ड्रेनेज नाला डिसिल्टिंग करने का है, वो कैसा निकालेगा वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Cabling also for electric vehicles, no. It will move faster, no. Electrical power.
फायनली एक कॉमन पॉयंटाचेर एक एग्रीमेंट जाल्लेलें आसा दॅट रेल्वेचे जे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आसात हू आर डुईंग केबलिंग वर्क ते demarcate करतले in presence of villagers as well as police. They will demarcate the line from where they will lay down the cable and तेजे उपरांत later it will be decided whether what will be the state of this natural storm water drain. So सध्या जी confusion आहा ते खंय तरी एक मातसो solutionाचेर पावलेले आसा, but not totally. Confusion still remains, but not overall. पळोवपाक गेले जाल्यार थोडेशे विलेजारांनी they are satisfied with the decision to shift this line from the existing place to the close by to the railway track. So हे आता सध्या अपडेट आसा. आनी कितें अपडेट आसा जाल्यार आमी तुमकां परत we will come back again and we will update the viewers. Keep watching.